Have you ever had a sneeze sneak up on you? That funny feeling in your nose, and then, ah-choo! Here's what's happening. Your nose is like a filter. It keeps dust and germs and pollen and tiny bits of stuff from getting into your lungs. Most of the time, the tiny hairs inside your nose catch all that stuff quietly. But sometimes, something tickles in a way that's just too much. Maybe some dust, or a bit of pollen, or even a sudden bright light. Your body decides to blow it all away at once. Your lungs fill with air really quickly, and then they push it all out in one big blast through your nose and mouth. That's a sneeze. A sneeze can travel as fast as a car on the motorway. Your body is just keeping you clean. And now you know.